need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing.
Hi, my name is Anil Nair, and I'm an aerospace engineering student here at UCLA. And I'm going to help you by going over some math concepts and examples. Good luck.
Is 1 over xy minus y squared equals 1. And we're going to find dy dx. We can say we're finding y prime, actually. It means the same thing. So first we're going to turn these into y of x's. You don't have to do this step. This just makes it clear that you're doing a chain rule. So now we differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, so here we have to do some chain rule, because we can rewrite this as x, y of x to the negative 1 power. And when we differentiate this, we put a negative 1 in front, and we get x, y of x to the negative 2 power. Then we differentiate the inside. So that was the outside. Right? Now the inside, the derivative of that is going to be a product rule. It's going to be first times the derivative of the second, dy dx, plus the derivative of the first, which is 1, times the second function, which is just y of x. So that takes care of that. And then minus, now we're going to do some chain rule, 2 y of x to the first power times dy dx. This all equals 0 because the derivative of a constant is 0. So now we have to get all the terms of dy dx on one side. So first we're going to multiply this out. It's going to be negative 1 over x squared y squared. Just flipping it over. Times x dy dx plus y minus 2y. And this isn't prime. This is a 1, just to make sure. Dy dx equals 0. Multiplying this out all the way, we get negative x over x squared y squared dy dx minus y over x squared y squared minus 2y dy dx equals 0. You get a couple cancellations. This x will cancel on the top and the bottom. This y will cancel on the top and bottom. And now we can move this to the other side and get negative or positive 1 over x squared y equals negative 1 over xy squared dy dx minus 2y dy dx. Let me factor out dy dx. We get a negative x y squared minus 2y equals 1 over x squared y. Then we just divide both sides by this. And to get rid of the fractions within fractions here, we just multiply the top and bottom by xy squared. That gives us xy squared on top, and then x squared y on the bottom. And this multiplies through to get negative xy squared over xy squared minus 2xy to the third. X will cancel on top and bottom. Y will cancel on top and bottom. And we get dy dx equals y all over x. And this will cancel right here. That was negative 1 minus 2xy to the third.
Ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on